In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set default chart in MT4. By the end, every new chart you open will automatically use your preferred look and tools, saving you time and keeping your workspace consistent. First, start by customizing any chart exactly the way you like it. Open a chart in your platform and make all your visual and analytical choices. Add the indicators you rely on, such as MACD, RSI, or moving averages, and set their parameters and colors so they're easy to read at a glance. Tweak the chart colors to suit your eyes, background, grid lines if you want them, and the colors of bullish and bearish candles. Choose your candlestick style and make sure the bars or candles are the size you prefer. Pick a time frame that fits your workflow, whether that's 1 minute for fast moves or daily for bigger swings. Decide whether you want the grid visible or hidden. Some traders like the structure, while others prefer a clean view. Take a moment to ensure everything looks balanced and legible, because whatever you see now is what your new charts will mirror. Once your chart is set, it's time to save it as the default template. Right-click anywhere on the chart to open the context menu. Hover over Template and click Save Template. In the file name field, type default.tpl, exactly like that. This name is important because MT4 looks for a template with this exact name when creating new charts. Click Save. You've just told MT4, use this setup for all future charts. Now let's test it. Go to the Market Watch panel, where all your symbols are listed. Right-click any trading pair you want to check. EUR/USD is a common example. And select Chart Window. A fresh chart will open, and it should immediately load the indicators, colors, candlestick style, time frame, and grid preference you saved. If it doesn't look right, double-check that you saved the template as default.tpl and that you saved it from the chart that had your preferred settings. You can adjust anything and save again with the same name to update your default. That's it. Customize once, save as default, TPL, and then confirm by opening a new chart from Market Watch. From now on, every new chart should match your preferred setup, helping you analyze faster and trade more confidently.